Guys, we got a flash flood
Pueblo
warning.
has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern El Paso County and east central Colorado until 8 p.m. At 4:56 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include eastern Colorado Springs, Calhoun, Rama, Peyton, Falcon, Black Forest, Rush, and Cimarron Hills. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Strong thunderstorms will impact portions of north central El Paso County through 5 p.m.
Oh, here we go.
Service in Pueblo has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern El Paso County and east central Colorado until 8 p.m. At 4:56 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1.5 inches in 1 hour.
Wait, no way. No way. Expected to begin shortly. Another one.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe
That's
thunderstorm
another one.
warning for northeastern El Paso County and east central Colorado until 6 p.m.
6 p.m.
At 4:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located in Endicott, or 21 miles east of Colorado Springs, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard: 70 miles an hour when gusts Rush and Cimarron Hills. Turn. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Yoder around 5:10 p.m. Rush around 5:15 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
What? Okay, imagine it was double header.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern El Paso County.
Where's there's a flash flood warning. I don't see the severe thunderstorm. Oh, there it is, right there. Oh no, just give me a break. Please just give me a break. Anyways, I'm focusing on this, and Antigua and Barbuda lost 0-5 against Guadeloupe for the playoffs to see who goes to the Gold Cup, and now they need one win away to go through to the Gold Cup 2023. They go against Guyana or Grenada. Next game is Martinique and St. Lucia. Next, they'll wait to see Suriname or Puerto Rico. I'm waiting for the alert on TV, the severe thunderstorm warning, and today Curacao and St. Kitts and Nevis. Can't wait for that game to see who goes against the United States. And French Guiana versus St. Martin, who will wait until June 20 to see who will go for the Gold Cup. Oh, here we go. Can I see the Colorado to Florida? I just heard Colorado to Florida.
Northeastern El Paso County and east central Colorado until 6 p.m. At 4:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Ellicott, or 21 miles east of Colorado Springs, moving east at 55 miles an hour.
Dang.
Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Oh my God, look at Florida.
Considerable tree damage.
Oh, I feel bad for those
Wind
people, man.
damage is also likely to mobile homes,
Mobile
roads,
homes?
and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Yoder around 5:10 p.m. Rush around 5:15 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. That means wind speeds of up to 135 miles an hour. Look at some of the damage that was done.